Hey everyone, welcome to JavaScript series lesson 2. We are going to write our first JavaScript program. Before moving further, as you can see here, I have the basic HTML markup in my code editor. We will embed the JavaScript to our site using the script tag. If you want to write JavaScript code, make sure you have put your code between the script tag. So now let's open up the script tag. And when we usually browse a site, we used to come across many pop-ups. So that's what we are going to create over here. Let's use the command alert, and within the double quotes you have to say something. Let's say hello world. Now let's save the file and head over to the browser. As you can see here, we have opened the HTML file. Now let's just reload the page. As we reload the page, we just got that annoying pop-up on our side. So yeah, we just got our pop-up. Now let's do a quick recap. All we have to do is open up the script tag and we have to put the JavaScript code inside the script tag. The first command which we have used here is alert, followed by the double quotes and the content which you want to appear on the pop-up. I'm sure this may seem overwhelming after writing some CSS and HTML, but trust me, you can easily master JavaScript if you follow along me with this series. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.